In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for Caribe Federal Credit Union credit card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link caribefederal.com/en/Mastercard. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Caribe Federal Credit Union. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here the option for MasterCard is selected right now. So if you want to apply for it, simply click on this option, Apply Now, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here you'll be able to apply in 3 steps. So first of all, what you have to do is select the branch location. Click on the field of branch location and click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option, select a purpose. Simply click on this option, new card. Now after you do that, you'll have to select the credit card type. Simply click on the field of credit card type. Now what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select this option for how did you hear about them. Simply click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to provide your personal information over here. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. Likewise, enter the middle name if you have. Now enter the last name. Now also select the suffix if you want. Likewise, you can also select the gender. Click on the field of gender and select the gender. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter your social security number over here. Now after you do that, also enter your date of birth. First of all, click on the field of month. Now enter the month over here. Likewise, enter the day. Now enter the year. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the member number over here. Make sure to enter the correct member number. Likewise, you'll also have to select the citizenship status. Simply click on this field. Now you'll be able to find the options over here. Click on the options of your choice. Also select the marital status over here. Likewise, you can also enter the reference information if you want. This is completely optional. You can also skip it if you want. Now after you provide the personal information, you'll have to provide the contact information. First of all, select the preferred contact method. Click on this field. Now what you have to do is select the preferred contact method over here. Now after you do that, enter your email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now what you have to do is enter the home phone if you want. This is completely optional. Now enter the cell phone. Now after you do that, you can also enter the work phone if you want. This is also optional. Now after you provide the contact information, you'll have to provide the information regarding your address. So first of all, enter your address. After you do that, enter the zip code. Now also enter the city over here. Likewise, also select the state. Now also select the occupancy status over here. Likewise, select the occupancy duration. First of all, select the years. Now select the month. Now after you do that, you'll also have to give the identification. First of all, select the ID type. Click on the field of ID type and select it over here. Now after you do that, enter the ID number. Now also select the ID state. Click on the field of ID state and select it over here. Likewise, also provide the information regarding ID issue date and ID expiration date over here. Now after you provide the identification details, what you have to do is simply provide the financial information over here. First of all, enter your gross monthly income over here. Simply click on this field and enter the income. Now after you do that, also select the employment type. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the profession or job title over here. Now also enter the name of the employer. Now select the employment duration over here. Select the year and month. Now after you do that, also enter your monthly expenses. Simply click on the field of monthly expenses and enter it over here. Now after you do that, you'll have to upload the document. You can see over here, you'll have to click or tap here in order to capture or upload an image or document. Simply click on this field. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the document. What you have to do is attach your government issued ID over here. Simply click on the document of your choice and click on the open option that you can see on the screen. Now after you upload the document, you'll have to answer this question: do you have another applicant? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, right over here you'll be able to find the option for continue. Click on it. Now you have filled the form. Now you'll be led to another interface. Your application will be reviewed and your credit card account will be created. So that is how you sign up for Caribe Federal Credit Union credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.